Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Engaging in scrap wood projects has gained significant traction among artisans and hobbyists alike, particularly as a means to generate income. The benefits of creating functional and artistic pieces from scrap would extend beyond simple financial gain. They encompass sustainable practices, skill development, and personal satisfaction. As individuals increasingly seek eco-friendly ways to create goods that appeal to the market, utilizing scrap wood presents an opportunity to craft unique items that bring value both monetarily and artistically. One of the primary advantages of making scrap wood projects for profit is the cost-effectiveness associated with using leftover materials. In an industry where new wood can be expensive, sourcing scrap wood from construction sites, furniture shops, or even personal leftovers from previous projects dramatically reduces material costs. This reduction in initial investment lays a sturdy foundation for profitability. By minimizing overhead, artisans can set competitive prices while still reaping substantial profits. Consumers are often interested in unique, eco-friendly products, making them willing to invest in handcrafted goods that have a story behind them. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unexpected scrap wood project ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Sustainability is another compelling reason to focus on scrap wood projects. In today's environmentally conscious market, consumers are increasingly drawn to sustainable products. By utilizing scrap wood, artisans contribute to a greener economy by reducing waste that would otherwise end up in landfills. This practice helps promote a circular economy that values reusability and conservation. Additionally, promoting the eco-friendly nature of these creations can enhance marketing efforts. Customers are often eager to support brands that prioritize sustainability, leading to a loyal customer base that aligns with the artisan's values. Crafting with scrap wood also fosters creativity and innovation. Working with limited materials encourages artisans to think outside the box and develop unique design solutions. The irregular shapes, sizes, and textures found in scrap would lend themselves to artistic exploration, allowing artisans to experiment with various styles and techniques. This creativity can result in one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out in a crowded marketplace, appealing to consumers drawn to originality and artistic expression. The process of transforming seemingly unusable scraps into beautiful or functional items can be invigorating and fulfilling, further encouraging innovative approaches to design. In addition to harnessing creativity, the act of making scrap wood projects can lead to significant skill development. Whether one is a novice or an experienced woodworker, the challenge of working with various materials fosters growth in craftsmanship. Techniques such as joinery, sanding, painting, staining, and finishing can be honed through hands-on experience, leading artisans to become more adept at their craft. This development not only improves the quality of the products created, but also boosts the artisan's confidence and reputation in the market. The versatility of scrap wood can enable artisans to explore various product categories. From home decor items to functional furniture pieces, the applications of scrap wood are nearly limitless. An artisan can create small items such as coasters, picture frames, or key holders, or larger pieces like benches, shelves, or tables, depending on the available materials and skills. This flexibility allows individuals to cater to various consumer preferences, enhancing potential sales avenues. By diversifying product offerings, artisans can engage a broader audience and capitalize on different market trends. Profiting from scrap wood projects also encourages community engagement and relationships. Artisans often find themselves participating in local craft fairs, markets, and workshops where they can showcase their creations. These events foster connections with other makers, businesses, and consumers who share similar values and interests. Networking within the creative community can lead to valuable collaborations, feedback, and increased visibility for one's work. Engaging with fellow artisans can inspire new ideas and techniques, building a sense of camaraderie and support among creators. In the realm of online commerce, scrapwood projects are highly marketable. E-commerce platforms offer vast opportunities to reach global audiences interested in handcrafted and unique items. Social media can amplify this reach, allowing artisans to share their creative processes, stories, and finished products with potential customers. High-quality photography that captures the beauty and details of each item can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. When consumers can see the artisanal quality and effort behind each piece, they are more likely to appreciate its value and invest in it. Moreover, marketing scrapwood projects can effectively tap into consumer sentiment towards home sustainability and thrifting. Many buyers appreciate the charm of reclaimed materials and are eager to find pieces that reflect their values of sustainability and uniqueness. Artisans can leverage trending topics like minimalism, eco-friendliness, and the appeal of handmade goods to position their scrapwood products effectively in the market. Utilizing storytelling in marketing, highlighting the journey of the wood, the creative process, and the benefits of purchasing handmade items, can resonate with consumers and enhance emotional connections to the products. Another benefit of focusing on scrapwood projects is the accessibility this craft provides. With limited tools and space, individuals can start small and gradually expand their capabilities. Many local communities offer resources like workshops or makerspaces where artisans can access tools and guidance. This lower barrier to entry makes woodworking an appealing choice for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Individuals do not need a large initial investment or extensive space to begin creating. Instead, they can utilize what they have on hand, making it an ideal pursuit for those just starting out. Profitability extends beyond the act of selling handcrafted items. It can also open up avenues for passive income. Artisans who develop a recognizable brand can transition into offering workshops or classes to teach others how to create similar pieces using scrapwood. This not only allows them to share their knowledge and skills, but also diversifies income streams while promoting a sustainable crafting culture in their communities. Moreover, creating online courses or digital content focused on scrapwood projects can further increase revenue opportunities, allowing artisans to reach audiences interested in learning new skills. Health benefits also accompany crafting with wood. Engaging in hands-on creative processes can serve as a therapeutic outlet, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. The act of designing and building can be meditative, allowing artisans to immerse themselves in a flow state where creativity flourishes. Additionally, the physical activity involved in woodworking promotes movement and coordination, contributing to overall well-being. For many, the process of creating something tangible from raw materials can foster a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, enhancing mental health and personal fulfillment. As markets shift toward individualized and artisanal products, creating scrapwood projects presents a timely opportunity for profit. Handcrafted items often attract premium pricing, particularly when they embody a genuine story of sustainability and craftsmanship. Consumers increasingly prefer unique pieces over mass-produced goods, making scrapwood an appealing medium for artisans seeking to capitalize on this trend. The demand for bespoke items encourages artisans to hone their skills, embrace their creativity, and explore their entrepreneurial potential. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked unexpected scrapwood project ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.